Good morning, students. In this video, I am going to solve October-November 2025 paper, and we choose the component code 02 for ICT. Okay, we will start with the first task, which is documentation production. Okay, so now we will start with the task 2, documentation. What is given here? You are going to edit a document. The company uses a corporate house style for all their documents. Paragraph style must be created and applied as instructed. Use a suitable software package. Open the file n22 n2502 event.rft. The page setup is set to A4 portrait orientation and 2 centimeter margin. Do not change any of this setting. Okay, so now there is already given the setting of your documentation, and here we do not have to change it. All right, 3 paragraph styles have already been created. Don't make any change on this. Save the document as tm underscore festival. All right, so to do this, we will go to our support file folder and we will open the file name is event. All right. All right, so now we will save it as a TM festival. Okay, so now we will go to our document, file, save as, and we will go to our support file folder. And then here we need to change the format to World Documents, and they ask us to make it as a, TM festival, right? Isn't it? Okay, so now we are going to make it as TM festival underscore, okay, festival underscore festival. All right. So now here you need to take a screenshot too and save in your evidence folder. Save. Yeah. Press OK. Done. Now let's go to the question paper again. Place in your evidence document the screenshot showing the document, the file has been saved. Make sure there is evidence of this file type which we have taken as a screenshot. Okay, now let's go to this question number 2. Place in a header TM Festival document automated page number right align and in footer name, center number, candidate number right align. Okay, so we will start with the header first. Insert. In header, they are asking us to put automated page number right align. So insert. We will go to page number. In header, it should be right align. Done. Okay. Now, in footer, we need to type our name, center number, and candidate number, right align. Okay, so again, we will go to insert, in footer, and they're asking us to put it as a right align too. All right, both are right align. Yeah, both are right align. So in footer also, we are going to use the 3 column footer. We don't need this. We don't need this. Here we write name ABC, center number IN123 underscore candidate number 1234. All right, so done. Next, make sure all alignment match the page margin. No other text or placeholder are included in the header and footer areas. The header and footer are displayed on all the pages. So let's make sure we got our page number and our name, center number, and candidate number, which can be displayed on all the page. We can able to see it. Yeah. Sort the list from accurate chip timing to special commemorative medal into an alphabetical order. Okay. So now we need to find out where is it. Yeah, from here to special commemorative medal. Okay. So now They are asking us to arrange in a order of ascending to descending, means in A to Z model. Okay, all right. So you need to go on A to Z and click it. Done. Next, apply a bullet list to the text from accurate till special. All right. So let me go to, we will go here and apply the bullet list. The bullet are indent to 1.5 centimeter from margin left. Right click, go to paragraph, and it is indent to left margin. Here is the indentation. And how many? 1.5 centimeter. It is 1.5 centimeter. Okay, press OK. Perfect. Next, the list is in a single line spacing with no space before or after each line. So right click, we'll go to paragraph again. Here we have a spacing, and before is also 0 and after is also 0, and single line spacing. Done. Next, select the subheading race entry and following text up to and include the paragraph ending with to be polite to them. Okay, we need to start with race entry and text up to including the paragraph be polite to them. Okay, where is the race entry? It is here. So now we'll go down till polite to them. All right, we selected now. What is next? Change the page layout so that only this text is displayed in two columns of equal width with of 1 centimeter space between the column. Okay, so now here they are asking us to make it as a two column, and distance between the space we need to put it as 1.5 centimeter. Okay, so to do that, we will go to layout, column, more column, two column, and here we go, 1.5 centimeter space, and press OK. Perfect. So here you can see the spacing is done. Now next, create and store the following style, basing it on the default normal paragraph style. Now they are asking us to create a style which is TMF subhead. All right. So now, student, I hope you remember in my previous videos also I told you whenever you are creating a new style, just go bottom any space, empty space, choose it and go to style, new style, and the style name first make it as a default and normal. All right. Style based on default and normal. So the style name is TMF. Okay, TMF hyphen subhead. SUBHEAD subhead. All right, subhead, and it is sheriff. Sheriff means Times New Roman. Okay, so we'll choose the text as a Times New Roman. All right, got it. Now next, font size is 16. Let me make it as 16. Next, we have alignment is center. Alignment is center. Next, then we have bold and all capitals. This is bold, and where you will find beta or all capitals, you can able to get it all capitals on the font option of the create menu. Next, press OK. Now, single line spacing 0 and 6. Okay, so we'll go to format, paragraph. Okay, first we will make this as a after. After we will make it as a 6 before we need to make it as a 0, and this should be single line spacing. Press OK and then OK. All right. So now done. We created. Take a screenshot. Show that you have defined the setting of TM subheads. So right click on the subheads and go to modify. Take a screenshot and paste in your evidence file. Done. Next, make sure, yeah, it is done. Identify the five subheading in the document and apply TM subhead style to each one. Okay, so now we need to identify the five. This is number one. Let me select and apply TM subhead. Perfect. And entry fees, TM subhead. Perfect. Two. And this is the third one. All right. So now where is the fourth one? Yep. And the last but not the least is the root. Done. Now next. Locate the table in the document and delete the entire row. Okay. So now they are asking us to delete the entire row content with the category late runner. So where is our table here? Yep, here. So now first of all, we need to delete the entire entry of elite runners. Where is elite runner? It is here. Let me zoom in so that you can able to see it. So the style thing is done. Let me close it. Now this is the elite runner. I selected the complete elite runner and right click on that and then okay, right click on that and one second. Yep, and right click and delete the cell and delete the cell which is entire row and then press OK. Next, what is that? Now we have next is format the last row of the table to have a height of 1.5 centimeter. Okay, format the last row. Where is the last row? Here we have the last row. Okay, this is the last row. Okay, and do we need to merge this? Format the last row of the height of 1 centimeter. Format the last row. Okay, so we will go here, right click, and we will go to table properties. Okay, the last row and specific height would be how much they are asking here. So 1.5 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, and then the at the list, and then press OK. Perfect, we got it. Now next, take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot here. Okay, we went right click, we go to table property, and then we'll go to row, and then just type 1.4 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, and take the screenshot. Next. Okay, format the last row of the table so that it become a single cell row of 3 column. So which means we need to merge this. Okay, so select it, right click, and merge. Perfect. Done. And then the content of the cell are vertical and horizontal, and it should be a gray in color with 20 to 30 background fill. Okay, so first we will fill it with the paint bucket, and here we can see it is 20 to 30 in between. All right, and this should be horizontal. Right click, we'll go to this and we'll go to cell and we'll use center and press OK. Perfectly fine. Done. Next. Okay, format the table so that all text. Okay, so do did they ask us to put a border here? A background fill, yeah, all the text. Okay, so 1 point black internal grid line display when the printed. Okay, all text should be each row on one line. Okay, to do this, first of all, we need to put a border. Okay, select the table, go to borders, border and shading. Okay, select the grid line. All right, to all the border. Perfect. Okay, and then apply to it. All right, so here we have, and then how much? It's a 1 point, not half. We will make it as 1 point. Perfect, and then press OK. Yeah. So now Here we done with this. 1 point black internal guidelines are displayed when the printed the table border all data fit in within a column with a space after maintain the table. Okay, so now here one more question they ask us to put it here. Each and every cell is in properly fit in the column. Okay, so now here student, if you unable to get it, you can little bit increase the size so that it will fit according to the page margin. Perfectly done. Okay, so let's go to the next question now. Import the image which is N2502 track.jpg and place it in a paragraph starting with the race start. Okay, so to do this, we will go to we need to find out the race starts. Where is the race starts? Okay, the race entry fees, cancellation route. Okay, so now here we can see the race starts. Okay, so now the race starts and we need to insert a N25. Okay, now I will insert, okay, picture. And where is your picture? Picture is on your desktop. Choose desktop, your file, and go to your support file folder. And the image is this racetrack and insert it. All right, perfectly fine. We inserted the racetrack. Now let's go to the question. Rotate the image to 180 degree. Select it, okay, and you will find here the flip, okay, the thing. Immediately you need to rotate 180 degree. Crop the image to remove the sky blue above the clouds, okay, above the clouds. They don't want, so we will select here and we will click on crop and just above the sky blue, we just try to crop it. Yeah, so this is perfect. Next, press enter. Done. Next, what we need to do? Format the crop image. It is resize to a width of 3.5 centimeter with no distortion, and it aligned to the right of the column. Okay, it aligned to the right of the column, so it should be here. So first of all, what we will do, right click, sizing and positioning, we will go. And how much? 3.5 centimeter width. Where is width? It is here. And we will type 3.5 centimeter is the size. Perfect. And just go to square text wrap and just bring it to the right direction. Perfect. Properly align and just go down a little bit like this. Perfect. Okay. So now we got it. We adjust the picture. Next, what we need to do. Okay. So the last but not the least is spell check and the proofread the document. Make sure that the list and the table done. Okay. So now there is no widows and orphans. All right. So how to do this? Let me show you. We'll check whether widows and orphans are there or not. Go to paragraph and go to line and breakup view. Okay. So now if it is checked, just make sure you need to uncheck the widows and orphans. Next, there is no blank pages. Okay. The original style are maintained. Spacing are consistently between all the items and save the document as a and print the document. All right, in step one. So here we go. So yes, we can see we just got it a perfect documentation, okay, without any empty page. So all right, students, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you very much.